Hi, welcome to this new section called FinOps Tools. So together we're going to review and introduce all the AWS native products and services you can use to save money. So first, AWS has a set of solutions to help you with cost management and optimization. This includes services, tools, and resources to organize and track cost and usage data, but also enhance control through consolidated billing and access permission. You can also enable better planning through budgeting and forecast, and further lower cost with resources and pricing optimizations. So we're going to review services such as bills, Cost Explorer, Cost Anomaly Detection, Compute Optimizer, Cost Optimization Hub, Trusted Advisor, Budgets, and Pricing Calculator and Research Pages.